Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We've heard today how plain and simple will it be at the end of time. Those who are good will be chosen, and those who were not will be thrown away. At marahil wala naman po sa atin dito ang mag-iisip na manatiling masama o walang-wala sa buhay na ito. We all wish that someday we will be chosen, we will be picked up by the Lord, and eventually we all wish to be in heaven. That is why every day is but a chance to do better, to do good at all, to strive our best to be holy, so that when it is time for God to call us, we won't be thrown out. And today's saint, Saint Ignatius of Loyola, is an example of such. Jesuits, or those who would know his life, would know that he lived less likely a saint. Madami din po siyang kahinaan. Madami siyang pagkakasala, pagkukulang. Madami siyang ginawa na ikaka-minus points niya sa langit. But you know, God led Ignatius to many events of hope. When he read the life of Jesus and the saints, when he met God in prayer, when he gave us a model of prayer, when he gave us that example how to surrender to God. At ang ilan lang sa mga bagay na ito, hinubog si Ignacio para maging mabuti at para mapili siya ng Diyos. If we are thinking, my dear brothers and sisters, that we are at the end point of our life, that we are hopeless, that we have done so many bad things, we turn and see how Ignatius was given the hope to do better and to do good, so that he won't be thrown out, but that he be chosen. Kaya magiging mabuti para mapili. He gave himself, he surrendered, he did good things, so that God may choose him and God may bless him. Muli po, ayaw po nating manatili o ayaw natin na tayo ay maitapon at hindi mapili ng Diyos. Walang gusto pong mabasura ang Diyos. Pero alam po nating madaming mga bagay ang dapat ayusin sa atin. Kaya araw-araw magsumikap, magpakabuti. We strive to do better, to trust God, to hope in God, to be good, so that we won't be thrown out, but that God may choose us and continue to bless us.